everybody. My name is Jordan and we are making brownies. Firstly, we add 1.5 tablespoon of flour. Nextly, we add 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Instead, we are using Milo. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of water. Next, we add 1 piece of chocolate. And we stir the mixture. Okay, the mixture looks ready for the oven. Next, we put the mug in the oven. And I make 3 more.
Sorry.
Yes! Okay, now we put the mug. We already put the mugs in the oven. Now next, we bake it for 40 seconds. And why is running around? Now the brownies are out from the oven. So time to eat the brownies. That smells delicious. I hope you find this video today. So have fun making it. Bye bye.